Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the static and the echo on your headset on your Xbox Series X. So to do this, the first thing we want to do is press the Xbox button and then open up the guide here and then go over to the audio and music tab. And most of the time you're probably getting static in the background is because your mic monitoring is turned up all the way. So if you turn this up, you can hear yourself talk. And also you're going to hear any kind of background noise. So I would suggest bringing this to the medium section right here. So you can still hear yourself talk a little bit, but you don't hear like a constant static in the background. Now, depending on the headset you have, you will have additional features. Like if you have the Xbox wireless headset, I'll show you how to access those features. So just on the home screen here, let's go to settings and then scroll on down to where it says devices and connections. Now, one thing, if you are using a controller to connect your headset with a 3.5mm headphone jack, you do want to update your controller. So go to more options and then go to update controller right on top. So just do a quick update. And sometimes this does have issues with the audio if you do not have it properly updated. So apply that update. Now, when we go back, we want to go over to our headset. So here's my Xbox wireless headset. And I want to select configure under here. And we have the option for low mute. And this says auto mute silences your mic when you're not speaking. When enabled, the sensitivity ranges from low, medium to high. So this will cut out like little clicks or static in the background. So set it to low or medium. And then we have the microphone light. And then we have microphone monitoring right here as well. So if you didn't adjust it before with the other setting, you can come to this section and set it to medium. And one cool thing about this setting is we have an equalizer under here. So you have the option to apply bass. So I'm going to completely turn off my bass because I don't like that. It hurts my ears. And then you can set this up so you can hear footstep audio specifically a little bit better. Otherwise, there is presets right here you can try. So you have heavy bass, gaming, movie, etc. Now let's back out of here and go to the main settings menu. Go to general and then go to volume and audio output right here. And then you can go to your headset audio and try a different format. So the default one is stereo uncompressed. We could try Windows Sonic for headphones, Dolby Atmos for headphones, otherwise DTS headphone, and just see what one works for you a little bit better. So probably stereo uncompressed or Windows Sonic for headphones, unless you have a Dolby Atmos compatible headset. Then once we have that set up, let's go on over to where it says additional options right here. And then we can go to mute speaker audio when headset is attached. And then we want to do the same thing for party chat output. We want it to specifically come through the headset and not the TV speakers. Then we can go to the chat mixer right here and we can reduce the volume of other sounds by 80% so we can hear our party chat a little bit better. Otherwise, we do have the option by 50%. So you can adjust that how you want depending on if you want to hear your party chat a little bit more. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.